All right, family looking out for one another. How about that? I love that. I'd like to get in the pool too right now.
Yeah, it sounds fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, we're talking about the heat out west. I was talking to my dad, and he's lived in the same house since the mid-'80s. They have a pool. He said, and he's in Sacramento, hasn't been under 100 degrees for like, I don't know, the last 9 or 10 days. Their pool was 92
It's like
degrees.
Oh,
like
extra bath water.
Seriously,
jacuzzi, right? Yeah.
It's not even, you know, comforting when you jump in at that point. It's warm, right? And so, yeah, that's out west. Here, kind of the same thing, and not quite that hot, obviously, but when you add the feels like temperature to it, it has been, well, excessive. That's why we have the excessive heat warning that's in place. Not for the shore locations, though. This, of course, Ocean City. Folks out, you see the flag blowing around, that onshore push. That's the relatively cool air from the water that's cooler, and that's Mother Nature's air conditioner at work, as you can see. Let's talk about the numbers. I just updated these for you. I'm going to put this monitor down, bring our map up, and talk about temperatures that are into the 70s. These are not the feels like temperatures. These are the actual air temperatures up and down the shore. 77 for Atlantic City. That measured at the marina, by the way. 79 degrees Cape May. We got 83 in Millville, and that's again because you have the Delaware Bay, some of that cooler air working up to Millville. Compare that to Dover, a solid 6 degrees warmer because there's not that influence from the relatively cool water. We walk up and down 95, dropping below 90 at least the air temperature itself for Wilmington. At 89 in Philly, 87 in Trenton. There we go. Mount Pocono at 82. Still in the 90s from Allentown and Lehigh Valley right down through Reading. So getting a little bit of relief, relatively speaking. Temperatures are dropping, but the feels like temperature at 100 degrees in Wilmington, the humidity level, there's just no way to slice it. It's out of control. It's Key West, Florida style. It is way, way up there. And so our feels like temperatures are up there too. 98, Allentown, Reading, Lancaster, 93 in Trenton. I mentioned the shore locations. Definitely has a feels like temperature that's increased, but even then, it's at 87 degrees. So the excessive heat warning remains in effect for all the pink shades here until 8 o'clock. The orange shades are the heat advisory until 8 o'clock. Doesn't mean that it's going to be cool past that. It's just not going to be at the levels that they are. What we are watching is some showers and storms that are off to the west, and those are heading this direction. So futurecast, as we roll into 8, 9 o'clock, maybe an hour earlier, we're going to be tracking our western zones for some of these showers and storms to push through. They could be strong to severe. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch, technically not in our area. Tornado watch, technically not in our area. But we'll see if the National Weather Service extends that out. But watch what happens by 10 and 11. It really starts to fizzle out, and by the time we get to, say, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning, it's gone. So the most concerned place that I will keep my eye on for tonight, and we'll, of course, let you know if we have any warnings, will be our western communities here in the Philadelphia area, the I-95 corridor. If we get any showers closer to 10 o'clock, possibly toward the tail end of that Phillies game, but I think that's going to be fine in terms of storms. It's going to be very hot, though. Tomorrow, we're going to start out sunny, maybe some patchy areas of fog. Then we get a few clouds passing by in the afternoon. It's another hot and humid day, not quite as hot. It'd still be very humid, but we're not going to see these feels like temperatures into the 105 to 110 range, but we're going to definitely be hot. 89 degrees here at 6 o'clock. We're going to keep it in there around 7 o'clock. Notice the numbers drop into the low 80s. Feels like temperatures hotter than that, though. And then tomorrow, up near 90, 92 somewhere in there. And then Friday, big relief. We're down into the mid-80s or so, possibly some lower 80s. We're going to watch that very closely as we watch the remnants from what was Hurricane Beryl. Now moving into our area, bringing us some of the rain showers. So we're going to say 82. That map you just saw was an updated one that jumped it up to 86. I'm going to take a look at that. 90 degrees for your day tomorrow. We got 96 then on Sunday. We're in for a hotter stretch of weather, guys, Monday, Tuesday next week, where we could possibly have our first 100-degree day without the humidity, not the feels like, the actual air temperature. We'll watch it closely.
My goodness. All right, buddy. Thanks so much.